We made it to Albuquerque, where we are kicking off our 28-day Southwest adventure. Join us for a stroll through Old Town. We are down in the Old Town Market in Albuquerque. Old Town Albuquerque is a nationally designated historic site founded in 1706 with over 150 restaurants, galleries, and boutiques, and is home to the oldest church in the city dating back to 1793. San Felipe de Neri Church. Came from the High Noon Saloon.
Oh, and the High Noon ends up being one of the oldest restaurants and bars in Albuquerque.
So we stopped in there, we met some locals and had a really good time. They have a tradition in there of hanging the Christmas tree upside down. And the reason is, way back when, they didn't want to lose floor space for customers. The tradition still stands. We're gonna stop at the Church Street Café.
Here it is right here. Look at all these cactuses, man.
The Church Street Café. It looks like people have been doing graffiti on the
Look at this.
Cactuses.
Church Street Cafe. People are carving their initials right into these cactus plants here, man.
All right. Mondays they're closed. It's Thursday, so let's see what we got. Church Street Cafe inside. Alright, you gotta have a margarita.
Wow, that's a hell of a margarita. This is a Roswell Alien beer, which we're drinking down in Albuquerque Old Town. Here's to Roswell.
So this was really sweet. We are sitting here in the Church Street Cafe, and Anna and Mark, who we met at the High Noon restaurant, just bought us some drinks in anticipation of our adventure. I got a burrito. Vito's about working on his
Enchiladas.
we got a couple of things in there, 3 different dishes. So tomorrow we have Petroglyph and possibly 2 other places. We'll see. Take a look at what the Petroglyph National Monument's all about. We are calling it a night here in Albuquerque, our first night. We just got back from Walmart, got a lot of our snacks that we're going to need for day hikes. So we're calling it a night.
That's my limit.